Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nika Wulan Pratiwi and my student number is 231305319. In this video, I will present an analysis of a grade 4 mathematics teaching video on multiples of number. I will analyze this video based on 5 pedagogical aspects. The first aspect is the opening activity. At 53 seconds, the teacher starts the lesson by greeting the students, asking how they are, praying together, and singing the national song Garuda Pancasila. At 3 minutes 20 seconds, the teacher reviews the previous lesson and then the teacher asks students about multiples of numbers. This is an apperception activity because it connects the previous lesson with the new lesson. At 4 minutes and 22 seconds, the teacher writes the learning objective on the whiteboard and explains them using simple language. And then teacher motivated the students by using a class chain. The second aspect is the main activity. At 5 minutes for 5 seconds, the teacher show a learning video using a projector, and the video helps students understand the topic before the explanation. At 6 minutes 53 seconds, the teacher explained the material again using simple and clear language. At 9 minutes and 5 seconds, the teacher divides the student into groups and the student work on group worksheet while the teacher walks around the classroom to guide each group. One student from each group present the group's answer on the whiteboard. At 11 minutes 55 seconds, the teacher checks the answer. And finally, at 18 minutes, the teacher gives a written formative test to check the student understanding. In my opinion, this learning activity is quite student-centered learning because students watch a video, discuss in groups, present their work, and complete a formative test. The third aspect is content mastery and content delivery. From 6 minutes 53 seconds until about 17 minutes and 30 seconds, the teacher explained the topic step by step after the students watch the learning video. The explanation is clear, well organized, and easy for elementary school students to understand. In my opinion, the teacher has good content mastery. The explanation is systematic, and I did not find any misconception. The fourth aspect is the use of learning media or TPACK. At 5 minutes 45 seconds, the teacher used a learning video and projector to explain the lesson. In my opinion, the learning media is effective because it helps students understand the material and makes the lesson more interesting. However, the technology is still used only by the teacher. It would be better if students could also use interactive technology such as digital quizzes or educational games. The fifth aspect is formative assessment and feedback. At 11 minutes 55 seconds, the teacher gives star rewards to group with correct answer. The teacher also gives positive feedback and asking the class to clap for the student. At 18 minutes, the teacher gives a written formative test. At 19 minutes 35 seconds, the teacher asks reflection question. And finally, at 20 minutes and 15 seconds, the teacher asks if the students have any questions about the lesson. In my opinion, the teacher checks the students' understanding in many ways, and the teacher also gives positive feedback that helps students become more confident and motivated to learn. In conclusion, this teaching video shows a good teaching process from the opening activity until the closing activity. The teacher used learning media, group discussion, presentation, formative assessment, and positive feedback to support student learning. However, the lesson could be improved by adding more critical thinking activities and using technology more interactively, so students can become more active in the learning process. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.